How to use AirHelp's compensation calculator. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use AirHelp's compensation calculator. The first step is for you to log in into your open up your browser, and then once you're in your browser's page, the next step is to move to the search box and then type how to use AirHelp compensation calculator. And then you'll be brought to the page where you see a number of blog posts such as the flight claim compensation. Scroll down until you can see the flight delay compensation calculator. And then you'll be brought to the page teaching you how you can use this calculator and the function of the calculator. So you can see calculate your expected compensation. And then to calculate, you just scroll down here, enter your departure airport, enter your final destination, select how many passengers, alright, but you cannot select the number of passengers if you've not filled these two fields, these two boxes. So ensure you fill them and then enter in the number of passengers, and then click on check compensation, and you'll be able to calculate the compensation that you would receive depending on your location, depending on your departure, and depending on the number of passengers. And that's where you'll be able to use the compensation calculator. And then if you still want to learn on how you can further use this calculator, scroll down on this same page and you'll be able to read through all of this, and you'll get further information on how we can use the calculator. Alright, so that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.